Did you know that tigers can see you before you even realize you're being watched? Stay until the end to learn the most fascinating facts about tigers. A tiger's stripes aren't just for looks. They break up its shape while moving, making it nearly invisible in tall grass. And yes, those stripes are also on their skin. Tigers are the largest big cats on Earth. One swipe of their paw is strong enough to crush bones, and a single leap can cover more than 10 meters. Unlike most cats, tigers love water. They swim across rivers, cool off in lakes, and even hunt while swimming. Here's the real reason they matter. Tigers control prey populations. Without them, animals overpopulate, forests get destroyed, and ecosystems fall out of balance. That's why protecting tigers isn't just saving one species, it's protecting the